We're jumping right on into this new plant display. I'm starting here with an Emerald Goddess Liriope. This is a great border plant, or in this case, it's a good thriller. So I'm going to start by digging a hole about as deep as that pot. Then I'm going to be placing that Liriope in the hole that I made and packing the soil around it to make sure it's just nice and snug. Now I'm going in with this beautiful fall annual called Cyclamen. This is the pink variety. I'm going to be placing them here so I know where to dig my holes, and then again digging a hole about as deep as those pots, making sure to save that soil so that I can use it later to make sure everything is nice in its spot. Now I'm just going to pop these cyclamen out of their pots and place them in those holes that I dug. So this cyclamen in this pot is acting as my filler. I will later add a spiller, but for right now we're going to add these beautiful pink cyclamen in here. And then just repeating the process on the other side with the other one, making sure my pot looks nice, full, and even. The pot is beautiful, but I definitely want to add a spiller to this just for an extra oomph. So here I am going in with one of our favorites, the Silver Ponyfoot. This one has a really nice foliage to it, a nice blue-gray. It's going to add some really nice color dimension into this planter. So I'm just digging a hole in that spot. I'm just going to pop this guy in here, make sure he's nice and snug in there, and then using that soil that I took out earlier to just fill around the sides and make sure everybody has a little bit of soil. And there we go, pot done.